close the windows if ever that is needed. And then, manipulate the environment by, okay, turning off the AC, turning on the lights, okay, closing any windows. Yun, environment. Next, prepare all the equipments that are needed, such as your big basin. This will be used for the bathing of the infant's body. Your baby soap and baby shampoo. Your big basin should have warm water, okay, or lukewarm water. A small basin also containing warm water or lukewarm water for washing the infant's face and cleaning his eyes. Clean cotton balls or dry cotton balls for cleaning the eyes. Or, pwedeng mawala to. Ang gagamitin natin will be your towelette. Okay? Or washcloth. Towelette or washcloth. Next, you could have 3 washcloths with 3 different purposes. Yung isang washcloth para sa ulo niya, another washcloth para sa body, another washcloth para sa inguinal area. Kung isa lang yan, gagamitin lang natin siya sa face. Nakuha. Next, you have your digital thermometer which will be used for testing the baby's temperature before we do the bathing. Kung malamig, kung nilalamigan si baby masyado or meron siyang lagnat, okay, we don't provide the bathing. We provide sponge bath lang or TSB. Next, you have your wet cotton balls or cotton balls with alcohol for cleaning your thermometer before and after using the thermometer itself. You have 2 bath towels for drying the baby's head, for drying the baby's body. You have your hamper for your soiled towels. Whenever you're done with your towels, you drop them to your hamper. You have a blanket, your baby's clothes, your diaper. Next, you have your cotton balls again. Pwedeng dry, pwedeng wet. Ang importante dito, gagamitin natin silang panglinis ng umbilical cord. So you need the alcohol. Next, you have your vitamins. This is optional, your baby powder. If you want to apply, you may do so. You have your warm or hot water na pinrepair natin, sterilize natin for your feeding. You have your feeding bottle. You have your milk formula. You have another towel here, which will be used for burping the baby para hindi makontaminate ang inyong damit. At the same time, add nyo sa baby's clothing yung kanyang bib. You have your crib, baby's crib, and the baby itself. Okay? Pag mag-RD kayo sa akin, you just have to say, prepare all the equipments needed. So, given na dapat, andyan na lahat. Okay? Wala ka nang hahanapin, wala kang kukunin during the procedure. Dapat nandito na lahat yun. Okay? Next, let's start by getting the baby on the crib. Okay? You may place him or her on the first towel, pero hindi pa natin gagamitin to. What we're gonna do is to check the baby's temperature. Ideally, for pediatrics, dapat palaging rectal area. So, nasa inyo yung option na yun. But for me, I'll be using the axillary area by cleaning first the thermometer from bulb to stem. Kasi yung most contaminated part will be the part that I'm holding. Okay, again, 1 stroke. And then, you may discard it. Kung meron kang lalagyan pang isa doon, discard. Pag malinis na, check if it is working. Okay, mine is working. And then, apply it sa axillary area ng baby. For example, tumunog siya. Okay? Wala siyang lagnat. We go on with the baby bath. Sometimes there will be other trainers that will ask you to give the bath kahit na meron konting sinat kasi magpapababa naman yun. Others would not. Okay? Pwede naman kayong, pwede yung option yung sponge bath. Next, after we have tested for the temperature